Hey guys, so this is a time-lapse video of me cleaning my sewing room because as you can see right now, it's kind of a mess. Also ignore that my lunchroom's right there. But yeah, let's get cleaning! Okay, so far we have this whole section cleaned up. I'm gonna go back through and fix all this and maybe the stuff up there, I don't know. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it because it's good enough. Time to get all the stuff over there. And then we're going to hit all of the stuff on the counter. And then we'll be good. Okay, so real quick, I just want to say, this is Peggy. She's my dress form. I call her Peggy because she sits on a peg. I have used her so much, especially when making Miku. So what we're going to do right now, since we're working on Glinda, I'm going to put the Miku on Peggy, on the dress form. So you can see her in the background of my other video, which you should totally check out. But now we're going to put Miku on here. So... So I put her on. Here's the crow. I put the corset on here, and as you can see, I changed up the bow. I think it looks fantastic. Also, no, Peggy is not the same size as me. I don't know how it looks this good on her, like the same amount as it does on me. Also, I changed up this a little bit. Here's the back. Let me like poof up the bow a little bit, but I'm happy with how she has turned out. Yippee. We're gonna go compete and do photo shoot and all the good stuff. Okay, let's get back to what we were doing. So, you may notice that I'm not wearing the same clothes, and it is much later. I am literally editing this video right now, and when I was recording that, my phone died, and I do not have any more footage of me cleaning, unfortunately, so I will have to end this off here. However, I am right now, as we speak, doing a cosplay photo shoot, and I know I've already said it in this video, but I am so excited for that. It is for Strawberry Miku, so if you want to see a little bit of my journey with Strawberry Miku, check out the video that I posted last week, and I will likely be doing another video just showing off like how the photo shoot went and like traveling there, because I'm gonna be on train for like an hour, and I will be on the train in cosplay during the off season, so that's gonna be a little weird, but it's no big problem. I've been on that train before. I've been on that train in that cosplay before, so I am confident in getting where I need to go. And we picked a really nice spot. So I am so excited to show you that. There's a chance I might not be on a train, but I will still record footage of us going there because it's really just beautiful scenic route on the way there. And I'm excited. This is gonna be really fun. My photographer is actually a work friend of mine, so he might let me record some of like his work. Either way, I'm gonna show you guys some pictures like here and on my Instagram. And yeah, I am so excited for how this is gonna go. And sorry for this video being so short. Again, I didn't know that the camera was gonna die on me, but it is what it is. So I will see you next time, and please go check out my other videos I posted last week and the week before. All the other stuff you don't have to look at because like I'm redoing YouTube. Like I'm starting over again. I'm not deleting my account because I like my watch history. I want to keep it like that. It's my cosplayer stuff. I need that for motivation. But yeah, I will see you next time. Bye.